Hi, I'm Eric Reed, and I will be your instructor for ECSA version 10. So why take ECSA v10? In one word, methodology. We're going to build on the foundational knowledge you acquired in Certified Ethical Hacker. In CEH, you learn the fundamentals, the tools, and the techniques. In ECSA, you'll put them together in a time-tested, proven process for performing high-quality, comprehensive penetration tests. We'll take you through the entire process from planning and preparation to performing the test to report writing and documentation. You will see, step by step, how to perform a variety of different types of tests, including open source intelligence gathering, internal network testing, external networks, perimeter devices, web applications, databases, wireless testing, and testing cloud environments. The iLabs environment will provide you with a 24/7 multi-subnet dedicated range where you can practice your learned methodology in a safe, isolated environment over and over and over again. You already know you can hack, now you know you can pen test. Sign up for ECSA version 10 today and take your next step in your evolution as a security